guys, this is the closer look of our rice, our jollof rice. Hi guys, good morning. Alright guys, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. If you're tuning in for the first time, please do not make it to last, okay? Please like, comment, share my video, okay? And let's be one family. You guys, I'm so excited. Today is my travel day, okay? Today is my travel to the village, as I said. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah. So you guys, I've been awake since early in the morning today. Like, I didn't sleep well, I did not sleep well, but I'm up. I'm grateful. I thank God. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be packing my bag. Let me show you guys my bag, but you have to pardon my messy room, okay? So guys, that is my bag, the box, and the one on top. I also bought this long mirror. I want to take you to the village. You guys don't ask me how, but I want to take you to the village. Yeah, that is it. So you guys, like I said in my previous video, yeah, that video will be going up today, most definitely. And I'll be traveling. I'm traveling with my hubby, yeah, and we'll be traveling by road. Yeah, and I would like to carry you guys along. So let me go and get dressed, and then let's head out. Before I head out, I want to make my breakfast, because like you guys, Kaduna doesn't have good motors now traveling to the east. Not that they don't have like good. If you want to enter a standard motor, you book from Kano. So we have booked this car from Kano. We charge like one person 65,000 naira, for each person 65,000. So I will pay for two, that is 130k. Yeah, so we'll be traveling. The ticket is with my hobby. I'll show it to you guys later. So yeah, anything from 1 o'clock I'll be going out. This is Simon. I think this should be around 10, 11 or thereabout. Yeah, so I would like to carry you guys along. I am excited because I think this will be the second time I have traveled with my husband, just me and my husband. Okay, and this one is going to be a road trip. God, it will be so sweet. It will be so sweet though. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.
I grew up 1890s. We have mineral, Fanta Kuni, Suez, Vita, mineral of it. When you drink that, Arabic woman. Another thing on the paper for female. Woman, I want to be a woman. Because I read, and I agree. The cover is for
Hi guys, good morning. So this is the next day of this vlog. Yeah guys, like my battery was down since yesterday. I've been able to boost it 1% with my power bank because I forgot my charger. My power bank, I could not use the cord on my power bank because it's faulty. So yeah, I've been able to get a cord from here, hence I've boost this to 10%. Okay, so I've been able to boost it to 10%. So here am I, like trying to set up things, like trying to sweep everywhere. Is just so somehow. Yeah, I've been sweeping. Yeah, so this is it. I've been able to set up my bed. I swept under, and yeah, have to clean. I've managed to sweep some places. Like this, these are some of my personal belongings which I packed here. As you know, this is a family house. Yeah, so yeah, that's my freezer there. Yeah, guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So this is another day. We are up and grateful. It's been raining since morning. And we are supposed to this morning we are cooking. We started cooking yesterday evening because we're supposed to be attending. No, because we are going to my husband's uncle's burial today. We are cooking. I just have to run inside my room because me and co we no be 5 and 6 at all. We are this apart. We are not like this. We are apart. So we are cooking and yeah, we are cooking before it started. It has been raining since yesterday, but we've been managing it. But this morning's one is 2 months. That is why I could not stand it and I have to run. So, but so let me show you guys. Amen. I want to work in the shop. Why you wear a cookie? I'm not coming with the ego because I'm not coming with the ego. So you guys be fun, like be fun. Village is fun, but it's stressful, especially when you did not come to the village with car. It's been stressful, but thank God some of my husband's cousin and his brothers came with car. So I think it's going to make today's movement easier. Okay, it's going to make today's movement easier, and yeah, that is basically it. And in the afternoon we'll be heading to the burial place. That's my husband's uncle. Yeah, his uncle. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so this is my husband's sister. She's not making the rice for us. We're cooking with firewood actually, but it is raining. But notwithstanding, she's still making the food under the rain. Yeah, this thing that we cover here is firewood, so it's covering the fire. I think let me look for a way to show you guys the fire. Okay, like she's so strong. I admire her strength to somehow, but not actually because I can't do this. Actually, I can't do it. So you guys, I don't know if you can see the firewood from there. That's the firewood. Like everything is going on so smoothly. So ignore the noise, okay? Yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the closer look of our rice, our jollof rice. We also made the semo. We'll be cooking the soup very soon. As you can see, it is raining cat and dog since yesterday night. But yeah, now we're standing. We thank God that everything is going smoothly. Yeah, see you guys.